joining me again with another video. Today I'm about to be showing y'all how I got this look right here, baby. This is that look. This is that graphic liner look that y'all been craving from me, you know, that I've been holding back from y'all. But today I had to bring it because look, like, please stop playing with your girl, because I am not one of them, period. Nah, but yeah, we're gonna be doing this look today. We're gonna be using this glitter by Take Two Cosmetics in Apocalypse. It's so pretty, so fine, goes on so good. Yeah, she got glitters galore, pigments galore. These are just a few of them. You know what I'm saying? And don't worry, because your girl's going to create some more looks. Because the way she set me up, baby, I got to show y'all what it's really hitting for. I got to show y'all what Take Two Cosmetics is coming with. Because y'all need to know. Y'all need to get into this brand. Especially if you like glitters and pigments and all that. But without further ado, let's get into this look. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure y'all like it right now. Go ahead. Like it. Like it. Like it. Like it. Let's get into this thing. Alright, y'all. So first thing we're going to do is get into the eyebrows. So I'm going to be using my Morphe Brow Cream in Java. We got our brows filled in how we want them. We're going to shape the brows, but before we do that, I'm going to just add some brow gel to my brow hairs. Using this because like it just make your brows look more realistic, like when you up close and personal, like people can actually see your brow hairs sticking out. I'm going to be using this Moira Cosmetics Mega Concealer, and this is the shade here that I'm going to be using, because we're going to also use this as an eyeshadow base as well. I'm going to go into blending this out with my Real Techniques buffer brush. So I'm going to take a little bit on my brush, the concealer. The look I'm creating, I really want to keep it real simple in the eyes. So I'm going to be using my contour palette, and I'm going to be using this all over, and then this just underneath the brow. Okay, so we got the eyeshadow look completed. Now we are going to go in with some black felt tip eyeliner. Actually, I'm not going to use, no, sorry, nah. I'm going to go ahead and use this one. And I'm going to do a wing line here. Got my eyeliner like this. And then I'm going to take a different liner because this one is a smaller tip and I'm trying to make it really precise. So I'm going to draw another line here from here with this Wet n Wild liquid mega liner in black. Y'all see this liner though? Ooh, so freaking cute. So now I'm gonna go in with, where's my glitter? So I'm gonna make this glittery, you feel me? So I'm gonna be taking this glitter from Take Two Cosmetics. It is in, I got a little makeup on the back, Apocalypse. Trying to make sure I don't spill it out when I show y'all. But this is what it looks like. So pretty, black glitter. And I'm going to be using my Duo eyelash glue to stick the glitter on there. Y'all, look at that. Like, this looks so pretty. Like, it's ridiculous. Ta-da! Lashes on. Now I'm just going to take a little bit of white eyeliner and put this in my waterline. I'm going to go in with this black eyeshadow here. And this is the Moira Cosmetics Seriously Chic palette. And that black color is called Boxy. Alright, so now I'm going to put on my foundation. I'm going to be using my Pretty Fresh foundation. This is like a little sample size that they sent me. The color is 190W Deep Dark. And I'm just going to take a little bit on the back of my hand. Not too much. And a beauty blender. Push my hair back a little bit. And then we're going to start adding the foundation to the skin. Alright, y'all see my foundation looking bomb. Now I'm about to go in with this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Warm Honey. So now I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Place Shade Stick in the color Katsina. Now I'm going to go ahead and set it and forget it with my beige powder by Makeup Revolution. And y'all, this is such a good drugstore product. Like, I use a lot of drugstore products. Yes, I do. But the reason is because you can't beat it. Like, one day I was just on a whim, right? And I said, I need something real quick to set my makeup. So I had ran the Ulta and I ended up seeing this. And let me tell y'all, I have been using it every time since. I have not switched up since I used this. And I've been using it since last summer, 2020. I just take like whatever little tiny detail brush is laying around. I just go right down the bridge of my nose so we can get that snatched Instagram worthy nose. This is how you look when you know what I'm saying, when you turn it into a bad bitch. Just the transformation right here. So now we about to start to sweep it off. Yep. You put all that powder on your face just to knock it off. I'm just taking a Real Techniques brush and blending all of that off. So y'all see how my skin has lightened up where I placed the loose powder. Now I'm about to go in with a brush and my powder that I used on my lids. I'm going to use that and I'm just going to buff it all over, so then that way everything looks similar in color. Alright, so I'm going to take this contour brush and I'm going with these two colors right here from the Coffee Cosmetics contour palette. Then I'm going to take a blending brush and use those same colors and do the sides of my nose. Not touching the bridge, just doing the sides. So this dusting powder I'm going to use for my highlight is something that I'm actually trying out right now. So I'm not going to tell you guys what it is because I am in the midst of trying to develop my own like little makeup line. So right now we're just testing things out, and this is like a, you know, I like to call it like a 24 karat dust, but I like to use it, you know, just to see how it's gonna look. But this is what I'm going to be using to highlight, and this is like me testing out a powder, highlight powder. But yeah, it looks so pretty. Like, look how it goes on. And then this way you guys can help me, you know what I'm saying? Like, you can help me, let me know if you will wear these things, so that way I know what to put in my line, and then that way I can bring y'all the products that y'all actually want. And this one you can put on after you set your skin because it shines better when you put on your setting spray first and then go ahead and put the highlight powder on. It just goes on the skin better. We are going to finish up the look with this same brand that the glitter came from. Is the Take Two Cosmetics, and this one is called Stripped, and it's a liquid lipstick. And I'm just going to go in with my cream gel liner by Colourpop in Sunny Val. We're going to line our lips first, you know. All my black girls need to get into this nude. This is what it looks like by itself, but I love glossy lips, so y'all know I'm gonna hit y'all with a little gloss. I'm just gonna take this one by Juvia's Place. It's called Petty Betty. Ooh, so cute. What do you guys think? I absolutely adore this look. Like, I'm obsessed. Like, it's the eyeliner for me. Like, you know, it took a lot. That's why I couldn't talk much, because I was concentrating. But baby, it's the liner for me. It's the liner for me. Do you see it out here lining so freely? Yeah, it's the liner for me. You guys, let me know what you think about this look. I actually have fun recording this video, and I feel fine as fuck. But yeah, if you guys want to see more looks like this, just let me know down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you share this video. Make sure you like this video. Y'all know I'm out here teaching y'all all the tricks of the trade. I'm showing y'all how to be a bad girl. A bad, you feel me? So go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.
Yeah, Tony, Kenny, Jeff, Money, What?